Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias Kitchen. Today I've collaborated with Lunar Delicacy. I'll be making peanut and jam cookies and Lunar will be making cashew nut cookies. I'll put the link in the description box so you can able to check out her recipe. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need crushed peanut, 1 cup of sugar, 3 1/4 cup of self-rising flour, 3 egg yolks, 3 egg whites, vanilla powder or vanilla essence, and lastly 1 cup of melted butter, or you can use blueband. Using this kind of mixer or a hand mixer, add 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of melted butter or blueband and vanilla essence, and mix everything till nicely combined. Once the 3 ingredients are nicely combined, you're going to add the 3 egg yolks and mix for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. Lastly, you're going to add self-rising flour. And if you don't have self-rising flour, you can use the normal wheat flour, but then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then pour a bit by a bit while mixing till everything is nicely combined until you get a soft dough. After a couple of minutes, your dough is ready. Remove the dough from the kneading bowl and place it on a working surface. Then afterwards, divide the dough into small tiny doughs, approximately 40 to 50 doughs. And if you want your doughs to be a bit large, that's up to you. And I'm done shaping my doughs as you can see in the video. Then the next step, we're going to dip our cookies in the egg white one at a time and garnish them with the peanut cookies as you can see in the video step by step. When you're done garnishing your cookies with the peanuts, then the next step we're going to decorate our cookies. Take any flavor of jam that you want. I've used cherry, or you can use any flavor that you want. Then you're going to add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of jam in the piping bag, or you can use a plastic bag like this. Using a wooden spoon like this, you're going to make a tiny hole at the center so that we can able to add the jam. Then afterwards, add the jam in the cookies as you can see in the video, and our peanut jam cookies are ready to be baked in the oven. Afterwards, place your peanut cookies in a preheated oven and bake them at 150 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. After 20 to 25 minutes, my peanut cookies are ready as you can see in the video. Let them to cool down completely before serving them. And my soft, tasty peanut cookies are ready as you can see in the video. These cookies are so tasty. Enjoy with a cup of tea, coffee or milk and enjoy your cookies. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. Please don't forget to watch cashew nut cookies from Lunar Delicacy. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.